So dear students, how are you all? So this is the video you have been waiting for, in which we'll be doing how to find the area of a trapezium when we are given two of its parallel sides and the measure of two of its non-parallel sides. So this is the question from your book itself. The shorter side is given to be 42 centimeter long and the longer side is given to be 58 centimeter long. So, and the non-parallel sides, that means the side C and the side D, these are 17 centimeter each. So children, the first thing you have to do is you have to take a cutout of this very triangle, right, from a sheet of paper. I have taken a chart. You can also take a chart and then you can cut out. Right. Now the second step. Now children, here you can see what I am going to do is I'll break this trapezium into three parts. First will be an triangle, a right angle triangle, then will be a rectangle, and then will be again a right angle triangle. So let's see how I'm going to do this. Just follow the steps and you will be able to find your answers. So children, just draw a dotted line here. कहाँ से start करनी है? From this very vertex, right? And you have to draw a straight 90-degree angle, a straight line, right? Just make a dotted line. Similarly here also children, on the other end you have to make a straight dotted line. And now dear children, after drawing this, make it very carefully. Your scale should be kept straight, right? And now with the help of scissors, you have to cut these triangular portions along these lines. So I'll be obtaining, let's see how many portions. I have already told you I'll be splitting up this figure into three parts. So children, I have obtained the first part and you can see from the shape it is a right angle triangle. I'll keep it aside and now I am ready to cut the next right angle triangle. There will be mild calculation part and then you will be able to calculate the area. So children, now if you can see what portion is left behind, we are left with a rectangle, right? And do we know the property of a rectangle? The length, the opposite sides are equal. So if this side was 42, now this side will be also 42 centimeter. And now let us measure this side. How much measurement of this side we are getting? So you can see, if you can see my ruler, you will be getting it 15 centimeter. See, you can see it on my ruler. It is 15 centimeter. So I am writing here 15 centimeter. Right? And now for the first triangular portion, I'll remove it, right? I'll remove it and then again I'll come back to it. Now let's measure. Obviously, if this side was 15 centimeter, then this has to be 15 centimeter, right? So simply I am writing 15 centimeter. And you can measure this side, the base, and the base has to be 8 centimeter. This is the right triangle number 1. Fine. Now coming to the third part, that is the right angle number 2. So here also children, the base is, you can see, 8 centimeter. this is right triangle number 2. Fine. Now we just have to calculate the area of the trapezium. Let's see how we will do this. So I have taken a sheet of paper. So I'll write area of trapezium. So in this case, trapezium has been split up into how many parts? 3 parts, right? First was right angle triangle, second was rectangle, and third was again the right angle triangle. So I am writing that very thing only is equal to area of right triangle number 1 plus area of rectangle plus area of right triangle number 2. Now children, you've already done the formula for area of a right triangle, that is half into base into perpendicular, or height, you call it height. So I'm using half. Now see, this is the right triangle number 1. Half into base. Base is what? 8 into your perpendicular distance, that is 15 centimeter, plus area of rectangle. Now see, let's see the rectangular part. The length is how much? 42 and breadth is 15, and area is length into breadth. So let us write plus. Now for your rectangle number 2. For rectangle number 2, again base is 8 and your perpendicular distance is how much? It is 15 centimeter. Fine. Now children, perform the necessary calculations. 15 fours are 60 plus, let's quickly multiply 42 and 2 15. 5 twos are 10. 1 carried over, 21 into 2 and 1 fours are 4. So this is 0, 3, 630 plus this will again come out to be 60. So 0, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14 and 1. 740 centimeter square will be the required area. Just check the calculation. No, sorry, I'm so sorry. It is 750 centimeter square will be the required area. So I hope you have got it, and in a similar manner children, you have to do it in your notebooks also, in your whenever you will be presenting your holidays homework to me. Okay, thank you.